Ethereum price nosedived as bears chase dollar, judges prognosticate farther decline in the altcoin. A experimenter at the Ethereum Foundation sounds admonitions as Lido passes 1/3 of Ethereum staking. Experts advise Ethereum holders after a major squeeze comprising $100 million liquidity pushed ETH price 20 lower on Uniswap. Ethereum price declined in response to the trade of Ethereum on Uniswap. The major squeeze negatively told the Ethereum price, driving a bearish sentiment among holders. Ethereum mining becomes empty for the first time since 2020. Ethereum mining has come empty for numerous druggies connected to the traditional energy grid for the first time since 2020. Ethereum prices hit a low of $1 while energy prices soared. With soaring electricity costs in New England, Connecticut, Maine, Massachusetts, New Hampshire and Rhode Island, the cost is advanced than the Ethereum price for the same GPU. Thus, miners paying further than $0.245 per kilowatt-hour are presently incurring losses. The profitability of mining Ethereum with GPUs has steadily declined. At this point, it's further cost-effective to buy Ethereum rather of mining or spending on electricity. Ethereum price could hold dollar position according to experts. Michael Edward Novogratz, the CEO of Galaxy Investment Mates, believes the Ethereum price could dip to dollar and hold this position in the current downtrend. Novogratz believes Ethereum is near to the bottom than U.S. equities. As he reflected at a Morgan Stanley conference, Novogratz was quoted as saying, "Until I see the Fed blench, until I really suppose, okay, the frugality is so bad. And the Fed is going to have to stop hiking and indeed suppose about slice, I do and suppose it's time to really emplace lots of capital." How Lido's staking dominance poses a trouble to Ethereum price. Ethereum staking protocol Lido has dominated Ethereum staking, putting the decentralized blockchain at threat of a centralized attack post the merge when it becomes a evidence of stake network. Danny Ryan, a experimenter at the Ethereum Foundation, put forward this narrative in an composition named The Pitfalls of LSD, Lido Staking Dominance. Ryan recommends setting a threshold limit for all Ethereum stakers and warns investors to limit their exposure to the protocol for pitfalls of centralized attacks. It reads, Lido passing 1/3 is a centralization attack on POS. We're bad at assessing tail threat, but staking in Lido at these thresholds has a lot of it. Grounded on data from Dune Analytics, Lido dominates ETH2 liquid staking with a 90.8 balance, over 4 million ETH staked. The platoon at Lido argues that it uses 21 validators, and centralized realities don't give this kind of translucency. Alex Svanovic, the CEO of Nansen, argues, "I suppose it's too soon to put tone limitation, if ever. You could fluently imagine a more centralized or more vicious reality with no tone limitation racing past Lido. Steth de peg could ail Ethereum price recovery." Lido's Steth is a secondary commemorative representing staked Ether. Steth lost its cut this week. The commemorative preliminarily traded nearly at par with Ethereum. Since each Steth represents one staked Ethereum commemorative and can be redeemed for 1 ETH in the future, after the merge, the dramatic depeg led to a decline in Steth price. Steth price plunged, trading at about 97 of Ethereum price in May 2022. Grounded on data from Dune Analytics, Steth was trading just above 93 of Ethereum price on Monday, June 13. Since Terra's UST collapsed lately, the crypto community is drawing parallels between Steth and algorithmic stablecoin Terra USD. Lido has responded to this narrative on Twitter, explaining to the community that the exchange rate between Steth ETH doesn't reflect the underpinning backing of your staked ETH, but rather a shifting secondary request price. The request is naturally chancing a fair price for stETH as some actors need to find liquidity. Why Ethereum price plunged on Uniswap on Monday, June 13. Ethereum price on Uniswap nosedived to $950 when compared to other cryptocurrency exchanges across several trading dyads. A large portmanteau investor ditched Ethereum in exchange for stablecoins, driving a major squeeze comprising $100 million of liquidity in the altcoin. This event drove Ethereum spot price 20 lower than other cryptocurrency exchanges. The Goliath was motivated to vend massive quantities of Ethereum because of a liquidation threat on an over-leveraged position where ETH was used to adopt 80 million DAI. The Goliath financed the lending with ETH on MakerDAO Maker, USD. A position of ETH was opened. Since this was an over-leveraged position, the Goliath cut their threat and vended further than Ethereum coins on Uniswap and reduced the liquidation price. Ethereum price suffers 20 decline. Judges have estimated the Ethereum price trend and argue that the altcoin is in a bearish zone. There's original resistance near the dollar position, near the 23.6 falsehood retracement. Two crucial resistances are near the dollar and dollar situations, and judges have linked a major bearish trendline on the Ethereum price map. Ethereum price could swing low to dollar position if the altcoin's downtrend continues. A decline below the support zone at dollar could push the Ethereum price to $950. Two Ethereum price points to watch out for. FX Street critic Akash Guramath is looking forward to a pretest of a declining trend line in Ethereum around the dollar position. Thanks for watching. Friends, I really need your support, so if you liked this video, please like, subscribe to the channel and write any comment right now.